Hello everyone, welcome to the DIY station. This is my first video where I'll show you how to reuse an empty jam or mason jar. So let's get started. For this DIY you will need a mason jar and a jute rope. Firstly, we will tie a small rope at the neck of the jar. Make sure to keep the rope a little bit loose so that there is no difficulty in carrying out the rest of the process. Now take another piece of rope that is about 4 times the size of the jar. Fold the rope as shown in the video. Now pass the fold through the rope that is tied at the neck of the jar and tie a tight knot as shown by passing the ends of the rope through the loop. I'll repeat this process about 6 times and you can do it as per your choice and how close you want your net to be. Make sure that all the knots are at equal distance from each other. Now you need to hold 2 adjacent ropes together and tie a knot. For this knot, you will have to make an upward loop and pass the ends of the ropes through that loop. Make sure that the knot is really tight. You will have to continue the same process with the rest of the ropes, and when one layer of net is done, you will have to do the same with the second layer as well. At the end, you will be left with a beautiful net of ropes which will look something like this. Then you need to flip the jar and tie the leftover ropes tightly. This will give the net a more clean look and the net will remain close to the jar. Now cut the leftover ropes. At last, you will need a rope with which you will cover the neck of the jar. This will make it look more appealing. and this is how it will turn out. You can also use such glasses instead of mason jars. You can add some pebbles or seashells in the jar so as to give it an aesthetic look and place a candle in it, and this is how it will turn out in dim lights. This is it for this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and give your feedbacks in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.